Welcome to Plank with me. Please get into position and let's get up onto your forearms. Up. Nice straight body. Keep your core nice and tight and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Relax. You can do it. You're doing it. And it's almost over. Inhale and exhale. Doing fantastic. And down. That was it. You did it. Please remember to subscribe and share. Give a thumbs up. And I'll see you here again tomorrow with Plank with me. Click that notification bell for when I post new videos. Thanks again. See you soon.